I need your help. I need to settle an argument. I have 2 no-prop energizers in my toolkit that never, and I mean never, fail to trigger laughter and shrieks of joy from any group I play them with. But I want to know which one you prefer. So I'm putting it to a vote. Game number 1. It's called Gotcha. You'll be familiar with it, but it looks a bit like this if you're not. You stand in a circle or with a partner and hold your right palm open towards your neighbor like this while you place your left finger into your neighbor's palm. And then on go, you try to catch the finger in your palm while pulling your own finger away before it gets caught. It's simple, it's ridiculous, and it's absolutely hilarious with tons of variations. Game number 2, it's called 1, 2, 3. If you don't know it, take a look at it here. It starts in pairs, and you take turns counting backwards and forwards, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, as fast and as accurately as you can. Now it's simple enough until you replace number 1 with a clap, number 2 with a jump, and number 3 with a meow. Chaos laughter every single time. Again, lots of variations. 2 games, both 0 prep, both guaranteed to energize any group instantly. So, which one is your favorite? Vote in the poll below or drop your answer in the comments and tell me why. For the full step-by-step instructions to lead both activities, check the links in the description also. And no matter which energizer you voted for, thanks for watching and have fun out there.